Hello friends. In this project, I'm going to showcase you one of a prototype, one of the product prototypes I have developed just recently, and this is an automated question answering system. Okay, so keep in mind why we are developing this. Actually, we have developed the main technology stack behind this. So we have developed the main model which is doing all this process. All we need to do is now to make the front end a bit fancy, but this is how it looks like. But I'm going to give a demo. But before that, let us try to understand what exactly is this. So this is an automated question answering system. So why we are building this? Because we want to help all the enterprises to get rid of the rule-based QA system. I would say QA chatbots. So by switching to our real AI solution. So what it does, it automatically generates concise answers to arbitrary questions asked by customers, and that is the main functionality of this particular product. So let us try to understand. So if I go here and if you see which are the customer segment we are targeting, so first is we are one of the main area of target is customer support. Now, in most customer support scenarios, common questions get asked frequently. For example, if you are working in a bank or an insurance firm, your customers will always ask you questions regarding the loan management process. Even if you want to claim some loan or something, how what are the policies behind that? For credit card, how to renew the credit card, or how to all different kinds of questions associated with your credit card, your account balance, and everything, right? So, so our question answering will let you instantly create a chatbot from existing support content, and this bot can act as the frontline system for handling customer queries. Now, in this example, I just gave you an example of bank and insurance, but keep in mind our product is actually very much customized to any kind of business process. All we need is some kind of data that is associated to your business to make our model more customized to your process. In just a few iterations, our model will understand the information related to your business process, and then it can be directly used to generate answers. Now, in enterprise level, what is going to happen is information retrieval is a challenge for enterprise employees. So internal FAQ bots are a great tool for helping employees to get answer to the common questions. Now, for example, what our question answering bot can do is it can enable various departments like human resources, payroll, to give quick answers to all the frequently asked questions. To help your employees. Okay, so this is the main objective of this product. Now, so how it works is like okay, so let me show you the main pipeline how it works. So you have a context. In the context, you have different text, and then we will while modeling this for you, we'll generate some sample question and answer. This will be given to our question answering AI model, and then the model is going to learn the context and different dependencies and little bit fine tuning to your data. You have a final train model. This model is only trained for your data. It is only customized to your data, and then once you have this model, you can just use it. Any new question comes, you can automatically generate answers. Now, keep in mind, if you have some new details coming up, then we have a systematic way of incorporating those details into the actual data lake or the data warehouse, and then automatically the model will retrain again. So keep in mind, I will show you this is an automated question answer. So automated, why it is automated means any new data if it is coming, the model is trained automatically. You don't need to again rerun by yourself. There is no manual intervention required. So now let's see how it works. So I will take suppose any data from Google or search, or let us take about Google itself, Google Wikipedia, and you take it and let's take copy it. Okay, and now we are going to ask few questions. Let's see how it is, how accurate. It is quite accurate actually. Let's see. Yeah. So there are two advantages. One is it's quite accurate, and also it's quite fast. Okay, so now let's see, when was Google founded? And then let's see, it's if you answer, let us see how what's the, oh, it shows September 4, 1998. Now keep in mind here I'm generating a very concise answer. One of the other advantages of our product is we are going to generate a very pinpointed answer. It won't be a big long text, so you are going to get the direct information what you're looking for. Now keep in mind is in some cases, for example, I'll show you this. In this case we have limited the text length, the length of the text we are going to show. We want to keep it short, but in some cases you need to generate a bigger text. Don't worry, it can be automatically tuned also. Okay, those changes can be made. For example, if I ask the question here, name some Google products. Okay, in this case you always expect to have 10 or 15, but in our case we'll have few just because we have shortened the length. But don't worry, this is not a big issue. It's just a default, I would say default setting. You have to just change it, that's it. So name some Google product, and now it's running. So when it's finding answer means it's running, so it shows Google Plus, Reader, Play Music, a lot of other things are there, right? Now let's try some more data. Now maybe I'll take probably the Google, let's say from 2012 onwards. I don't know what is happening, but let's see. I can see they're talking about DeepMind ways. So let's just take it. Uh, and just paste it now. Okay, so when was DeepMind acquired by Google? And let's see if it can give us the right answer. Yeah, okay. And then yeah, I mean, you can always try to, because I've not read the text, but any kind of thing, you know, maybe what we can write here is who is Google CEO. Okay, and let's see, yeah, it's just in the Pichai. So you can see these kind of things, I have just, you can take any kind of text and you can automatically generate an answer, and it's quite quick. Okay, so and one of the things is it's very, this is, we are now planning to convert this into SAS platform, but on premises also is fine. So deployment, we have deployed this into production. It's quite quick, okay, and we are so in the production we have tested it quite a lot of time. Hence, this is a very accurate system. So just feel free to play with this and let us know your comments. Thank you so much.